Hello viewers, today we are going to solve one problem based on velocity and acceleration. I will read out the question. The position of a particle is given by r vector, which is equal to 3.0 t I cap plus 2.0 t square j cap plus 5.0 k cap. Find a velocity and acceleration a of t of the particle. Second question is find the magnitude and direction of v of t at t equal to 1 second. This is the question. So we know that velocity is equal to ds by dt, in this case dr by dt. So d by dt of r is 3t I cap plus 2t square j cap plus 5 k cap. So first differentiation, 3 is constant, differentiation of t is 1, therefore 3 I cap, differentiation of this term 2 into 2 4t, j cap, differentiation of constant is 0. So this is velocity. Now we want acceleration v of t. Now we want a of t, that is dv by dt, rate of change of velocity, that is d by dt of velocity. We have 3 I cap plus 4t j cap. So if you differentiate a constant, it is 0, plus differentiation of 4t is 4 j cap. That is, the acceleration is equal to a constant acceleration because it is 4 and it is directed towards j. Assume this is I, this is j and this is k. This 4 means toward in the j direction the magnitude is 4. So this is in this axis it is 4. Okay. Whereas this velocity is 3i plus 4t. So you have both the components I as well as j. Okay. Right. Now we have to find out the velocity, magnitude of velocity and its direction at t equal to 1 second. So at t equal to 1 second, v of t. So v of t, we have the value here. So this is equal to 3 I cap plus, in the place of t you substitute 1, so 4 j cap. So the velocity at t equal to 1 second is in vector form, in vector notation. Now we will see the magnitude and direction. Okay. Alright. How to understand this vector? That is, this is 3, this is I, so you take 1, 2, 3, and this is j, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the meeting point, you will have some magnitude and some angle that we have to find out. So I will plot in the graph. So assume this is I vector, I cap, I vector, and this is j vector. So I vector we have 3, 1, 2, 3. J vector we have 4 j cap, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the meeting point of this will be 3 I cap plus 4 j cap. Now the magnitude is this one. So we know this distance which is 4 and this distance which is 3. Now we want this hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is the magnitude. So this magnitude, you apply Pythagoras theorem for this right angle triangle, which is 3 square plus 4 square under root. hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 square plus side 2 square. 3 square 9 plus 4 square is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. Root of 25 is 5. So the magnitude is 5. This value is 5. That is, we are taking velocity. So the magnitude of that velocity is 5 meters per second. Okay, now we are interested in finding the direction. We must know the theta. So in that triangle, you find out theta. So in this triangle, say I call this as A, B and C. In this triangle ABC, you apply tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite side is 4, adjacent side is 3. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3, which is equal to 53.13 degree. This angle is 53.13 degree. See, I have used a calculator for calculating theta, but you have to make use of logarithmic tables book. In that you can find natural tangents. From that you can find out the value for theta. Okay. Now that is the resultant velocity is directed in this direction. We know the direction now, which is 3 I cap plus 4 I cap. The magnitude of this velocity is 5 meters per second. 5 meters per second, and then the angle from from 0, which is 53.13 degree. That is, the velocity is acting in this direction. The angle is 53.13 degree. So that's all about basic understanding of velocity and acceleration. I have given one example and how to find out the value for velocity and acceleration. Hope you have understood this problem. Thanks for watching. Nandri.